This 2023 Newmar Ventana 4068 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 40 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Remmy Decor, Glacier Glazed Maple Hardwood-HG interior, sleeps 2, external shower, auxiliary battery, stove top burner, air conditioning, TV antenna, LP detector, TV, Colorado detector, water heater, self-contained, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, couples coach, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2023 Newmar Ventana 4068 is built on a Spartan K2 chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.